we will talk into some challenges and solutions, some challenges met by the scorecard using machine learning and some solution to that. So first of all, the data quality. So this data quality actually is impacting a lot on how the scorecard will behave. So it's like human errors can occasionally occur, like the fields are missing or the values inputs are incorrect. So how to solve this is we should establish a maker checker control mechanism and the system enhancement to validate and verify the input fields. And second one is the model interpretability. Most of the time, the machine learning models are always deemed as the black box, and it's like to be avoided by the banks to use machine learning models because they are more complex and harder to interpret to the stakeholders. But actually, it can be addressed by using some techniques like backtesting to see if the barrier is monotonic and do some scenario analysis and also expert judgment to validate the model's outcomes. The third is the system integrations. So machine learning like models like the decision trees are sophisticated, so they are not that easy to be implemented. Let's imagine you have 20 nodes, then you want to implement in the system. Instead of using logistic regression, you are implementing 20 nodes in the system. So you have to test if the system is scalable or not. Yeah. So that's why you have to have a comprehensive implementation plan beforehand to ensure that it will be easily configurable at the future. Then the last point will be the regulatory compliance. So this is the most important point because we are regulated by Bank Negara. So we must make sure that the credit scorecard can pass them and is explainable to both customer and auditors. And to address this, we must make sure that all variables that we use, all the nodes in the decision trees is explainable. It's like not is making sense. And next, we look into instead of just credit scoring, there are also ML application across other banking segments. For example, the fraud detections in real time. It can reduce the number of false positive and reduce the human error in the meantime. And also the customer chatbot using the LLM to understand what the customer needs, and it provides seamless user experience and reduce the operational cost using the customer service staff and so on. And last but not least is the robo-advisors. This robo-advisor, a clear example can be seen in the KDI Invest. So they have a robo-advisor in advising you for the investment portfolio based on your risk profiles and financial goals and monitor the global markets condition 24 hours, 7 days. It's like they work non-stop. For a human, you have to sleep, but they don't need sleep. Yeah, that's the advantage. And these are few of the use cases of ML application in banking. Next, I will demonstrate this one. I will demonstrate how the machine learning and AI is actually transforming humans' life in banking.